Welcome to Power Platform AI Builder series. In this series, I am going to discuss about one of the important concept of AI series, which is entity extraction. Myself Dhruvin Shah and you are watching the first part of this series. I have divided this entire series into three different parts. In the first part of series, I am going to discuss about what is entity extraction AI model and how we will use that for your business data. And we are also going to talk about which are the prerequisites that we need to follow before we building a model. In the second part of the series, we are going to build entity extraction AI model. After that, we will train our model and we will publish our model. In the third part of this series, we are going to use our published entity extraction AI model to power apps with the help of Power Automate. Before we proceed further for the first part of this series, let me tell you one more thing. If you want to increase your AI knowledge, I have prepared AI series for category classification, prediction model, and form processing. These series are available exclusively on my YouTube homepage, and links are down below in the description box. You can visit that and increase your knowledge in AI. One another thing that all the power apps and flow and sample data are available to my GitHub account. I will provide the link of the code and sample files to download in the description box. You can directly download it from there and you can practice and increase your AI knowledge. So stay connected with me on all three parts of this series. The first question arises in your mind that what is entity extraction AI model and how it is useful in our day-to-day life. Now let me explain you with very simple and easy words. Now let's say for an example you have an organization. Your organization is receiving a data in a many form like email, chat, document. It can be any form. The data is in unstructured form. You don't know which data would be useful for your business needs and which one not. And entity extraction AI model do the same procedure. It will extract the entities from your unstructured data and convert them to a structured data to use for your business need. So basically, it recognizes the data from a given text and transform unstructured data to a structured data that can be used for the further investigation. Now, let me explain you with the help of example. Here I have taken an example of one of the HR recruitment agency. While they are receiving some messages from the chat or in email like this with the description of candidate information. Let's say here I have received an information like myself Dhruvin Shah. I have 5 years of experience as Power Platform. I am living in India and you can connect me on this email address. I am single, my birth date is this one. So basically it is something that has been provided by some employee to HR agency and now this is in unstructured form. This data entity extraction AI model, what it will do is it will fetch the possible entities from this unstructured form and convert into structured form. So let me explain you. Let's say for an example, from this particular entire statement, which are the entities which is useful. So let's say name is useful, experience is useful, position is useful, country is useful information, email is useful information, relationship status is useful, and birth date is important. So what entity extraction AI model did is it extract the data of your entity, it extract the data of your document and find out the useful entities from it and derive the entities like this. During this session, we are doing the same procedure. Here, we are going to take an example of recruitment agency or HR portal. Recruitment agency receives lots of candidate information every day in the form of an email or a chat. Their business model will require only specific values from the unstructured data which they had received. So, Entity Extraction AI Builder recognize the useful information from the data and convert to structured machine readable data. So, in this session, I am going to demonstrate this thing in detail. Now, before we proceed further, let me show you what we are going to achieve as end result at the end of this session. Let's say for an example, this is my Power Apps and I have entered this type of description in my Power Apps. When I click on entity extraction, it will automatically detect the useful entities from the provided information and show the information at the very bottom like this. And it will auto populate the SharePoint list form like this, and when user hits save, it will save the form and store the structured information in a form of a SharePoint list. So this is the something which we are going to perform at the end of the session, and if you follow the step by step, I'm sure that you will be learn this concept very easily, right? So now let me move over to my presentation file again. Before we move further with the development process, we need to consider few examples over here. First thing is that at this moment entity extraction AI models support only common data service entity, which means that your data source should be in common data service. Currently it is supported English, Chinese simplified, French, German, Italian, Spanish and Portuguese as a language. The length of your document or content should not be exceeding more than 5000 characters. You need to provide at least 10 examples for your data to train your model. So these are the few considerations that we need to take while we are performing the development. Now let me move forward to the demo time. We are going to perform the first step of our demo. The first step of our demo is to prepare the CDS model, or we need to add our data to the CDS model, CDS entity, right? So let me show you our data source first. This is the sample data source that I have, where I have employee ID and candidate description. So these are some chat messages that a recruitment agency receives every day. So you can see that candidate information and some paragraph format has been provided over here for the recruitment data. Now I need to upload these records to my CDS model, and then we are consuming that CDS model to build the Power Platform entity extraction AI model. So now let me move over to the browser. For that, what you need to do is first go to your web.powerapps.com. Now from data, click on entities. Once you click on entities, there is an option get data. Click on get data. Here you will be having an option Excel. Select the Excel file from here. Now you need to provide the file path of your data. So I am clicking on browse and I have provided a data over here, entity sample HR data. I have uploaded the same file over here. Click on next, select sheet 1, click on transform data. So this is similar type of Power BI's Power Query window. Now here we just need to transform our data. Let's convert our first row as header. So go to transform and convert, use first row as header from here. Now we need to do one more thing, that we need to convert our ID column into text format, because in the next step we need to set primary key, and at this moment it is supported only text data type over here. So let me convert this to the text data type. So add a next step. Now click on next. Let's provide a new entity name over here. I am giving a name as Dev03 entity. Now you need to select your primary key. I am selecting employee. Click on next. Here you have two options, refresh manually or automatically. At this moment I am setting as refresh manually, and let's create our CDS model. This will take some time. Once it is created, you can see our entity would be created to this particular section. Now let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes over here. And now you can see that Dev03 entity has been appeared over here. Now let me just filter it out by custom, and let's check our data. So this is my entity, and now let's see whether we have received our data over here or not. So data has been loaded successfully in Dev03 entity, so it will take some time. Let's check all the fields from here, and you will be seeing this information being appeared over here. So wait for few minutes, it will be appear over here. So this is how my CDS model is being prepared. Now in the next session we are going to use this entity model and prepare the AI builder entity extraction model. So stay connected with me on my next session. So stay connected with me for my next session to prepare AI builder model for entity extraction. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.